Yes, so morning guys, we're back. Pick up na natin yung ating EcoSport na Brisbane Brown. Ito yung pakaganda. So first own dito, scan natin ulit. Tapos okay na, settle natin. Thank you. Yan, so na-check na natin to before guys. Final check lang natin. Pero so far, ganda, tingnan nyo. Ayan, so parang second car lang nila. Kaya hindi masyadong gamit guys. 60,000 mileage, napakaganda. Sobrang fresh. Bago yung mga gulong, LED. Ayan. Pero full refresh pa rin kayo dito guys. Pero dito ang ganda ng body. Talagang alaga. So second car nila, mag-upgrade lang sila ng pamalit nito. So after daw nito, didiretso na silang kasa. Ayan. So gawin lang natin ng paperworks and deal natin. Pero flying colors pasado guys. LED lahat ang ganda. Okay dyan. Tsaka may parking nila, may shade, may bubong. So, hindi siya yung ganda yung paint niya. Minor scratches, minimal. Ay, second hand eh. Pero, para dun sa condition, maganda. Actually, very minimal lang. Okay, sige. Yan, so, 60,000 mileage guys, first owned.